In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a vehicle speed sensor on your Honda Accord. This one's going to be located on the front of the trans, accessible through the wheel well. Using a 19mm socket, remove the lug nuts. Remove the wheel. Remove the clip. We're going to pull this trim piece down. There's a little tab right here. We're going to pull that out, and we're just going to have this hanging right here during this job. On the back side of this connector, there's a little push tab. Push that. You're going to pull it off the sensor, just like that. Using a 10mm socket, we're going to remove the bolt out of the vehicle speed sensor. Using a pair of pliers, we're going to gently wiggle this sensor up and down, and we're going to slowly start working it out. Using a small pry bar, I'm going to go around the sensor and very gently push up on it. You do not want this breaking inside of the trans, so be very careful with this. Remove the sensor. Before installing the sensor, you're going to want to coat this O-ring in fresh automatic transmission fluid. If you don't, the seal will prematurely wear. It'll overheat, crack, and then you'll be replacing it again. Install the sensor. Make sure the O-ring is fully seated. You might have to twist this sensor back and forth just a little bit to help you get it fully seated. Install the bolt. Snug it down. Torque the bolt to 9 foot-pounds. Install the connector, push until you hear a click. Pull the plastic piece up, install the tab into the fender liner, push it up, and then we'll install our clip. Install the wheel. Get your lug nuts started. Snug them down. Torque the wheels in a star pattern to 80 foot-pounds. You're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.